Hello everyone, I'm Darshan from Team Coding Gurus and here's our project demonstration for Cyrus 2024. So this is our landing page. We have tried to keep the UI as simple as possible and interactive as well. So beginning with our project, here we have a simple div containing links for creating itinerary as well as a link to maps. From here user can create his itinerary or his visit to any specific place. So keeping in mind that during a single visit, a user can go to multiple places. So here basically we enable that feature with the help of add destination. I'll quickly fill up the details here. Here I have to enter the image. We haven't added any validation here for now. Okay. So this was about the visited state. So user can at the same time visit multiple locations during a single visit. So let's say for example Kashmir I went to mostly day. I have to enter the hotel as well as the food that are available there as well, from which users can get to know how good that place is, and I can write review as well here. So in case user can visit multiple destinations, so we can add a destination here and we can enter the details similarly. For now I'll just remove it, and so just for validating the information, whenever I click on this send, we'll have the admin to approve our itinerary. So going forward to the admin route, this is specifically for the admin. We are planning to add authority and authentication thing there. So here as you all can see, we have the itinerary details which I have entered just right now, also as well as the destination. So if user has entered multiple destinations, they will be displayed here as well. I can approve or discard it. For now I'll approve it, and I'll show it on the profile page too in a while. So for now let's go back to the home route. So this visit me is just a link, and we'll have map displayed here as well as some locations. There are few locations available as we have implemented everything from scratch, and these geolocations as well are added from us. So we can definitely find a source and do it, but we planned on having it from scratch. Going back to the home route, so this is basically here we can navigate to any specific resource as well as we can share this specific geolocation to any user. Coming here, if you have noticed till here as well, these images are suggestions from our side. So these are the locations as well as we have a few suggestions here. These are directly coming from our backend server as we have implemented the ML model from scratch. The specific thing to highlight here would be that the ML model we are using, we have implemented that from complete scratch along with the algorithms. So if I every time I refresh it 2 to 3 times, so that would be more clear. Even this suggestions are dynamic. As well as we have a few travel blogs here, so in case if user clicks on any of these, he can read them in detail. So this is about any specific blog, as well as if user wants to see the entire blog section, he has explore blog action button here, so we can go there through the header as well. So that was everything on the home page. Now let's go to the explore section. So here basically user can search for any specific location and get suggestions about the location and different places to visit in any specific district as well as state, whatever user chooses to enter from database, as they are not static. So let's say in case I refresh it, we have new values here along with their prices that would take. These are again coming from our backend ML model. We are not using any API. This is entirely coming from our backend server. So for example, let's say I search Mumbai here. So I'll get all the locations that are available within the Mumbai region as well as details about the specific section. We can make it more specific by adding the details as well as other minor details about the scene. So if I scroll down here, we have multiple things going on in Mumbai. We also have different ways to reach Mumbai. Post that you can see as well. We are just pending to route them to their specific devs here. Next, I'll go back to explore. So next we have the community section, one of the most important, as this would be a crowdsourced travel itinerary. It is very important for the crowd to give their inputs. So we have a community post here, login session, as it would be required for user to maintain his state. So I'll quickly log in here. After login, we have a profile section here. Again, these all are coming directly from the ML model. And these are the places that user has visited. It will be displayed as complete timeline. As well as user can add timeline from here as well as there are database for storing blogs as well as for the authentication purpose. For collaboration purpose, we are using GitHub, and that is everything from our project. Thank you so much.